Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll be solving this puzzle called shape and reshape. Let's go through this. Here you can see we will be learning about two things, two tools, which is shape and reshape. Let's look at the description. The shape tool gives a tuple of array dimensions and can be used to change the dimension of an array. Okay, so if you want the array dimensions, you can use shape tool, and plus also you can change the dimensions also. Okay, so there are two things, one to get the array dimension and another is to change the array dimension. Okay, so here you can see numpy has been imported, a variable array has been defined here, then they did a variable name dot shape, so it will give the shape of the array, 1 row and 5 columns. You can see this. Similarly, if you have a 2D array and you will do a shape, you can see this is a 2D array. Okay, that's a 3 rows and 2 columns, 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay, so this 2 column, 2 column, 2 column, so these are 2 columns and this whole thing is 1 row. Okay, now if you want to, this is to just get the dimension, means you know that array is of this size. If you want to change the array dimension, you can use the same thing and you can assign the dimension. Here you can see this is an array, and array dot shape equal to 3 comma 2, and then you print change array. You will see that this is how it will look. So 3 rows, you can see 3 rows and 2 columns. Then this is about shape tool. Reshape tool is similar to that, but with a slight difference. You can see reshape tool gives a new shape to a array without changing its data. It creates a new array and does not modify the original array itself. So previously what it was doing, it was modifying the original array itself, but here you will have a new array. It will create a new array. Okay, it gives us it gives a new shape to a array without changing its data. So you can see here this is an array defined, and here they have done numpy dot reshape my array, which is this guy, comma the dimension you want, 3 comma 2. So that is how you will do. So reshape will change the array dimension according to whatever you have given the input, and it will do it in a new array. Okay, it will not change the existing array my array. Now what is our task? Our task is, we are given with space separated list of 9 integers. Our task is to convert this list into a 3 cross 3 numpy array. So 3 cross 3 we have to do of 9 integers, single line input with 9 integers separated by space. You can see this, and we have to print the 3 cross 3 array. So we can use this reshape thing, and you can see the examples. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, that is 3 cross 3 matrix you can think of. So import numpy is already there. So let me define the array. Array is equal to, first we have to take the array. These space separated array should be converted into list, right? So let me convert into list, because whatever input you will give here, this will be a list, no? So that is what I'm doing, I'm converting it into list. So here mapping, each of them has to be integer also. So int input dot split. Okay, so this is how it will look. So they will be in list form, but each of the element will be integer. Now you can use this array. Array you have now. So one more thing you have to do, array, it's not array, it's just a list right now. So numpy dot array, you can do numpy dot array, and inside this you can put arr. So this thing I have done till now. Okay, now we can do this. let's copy it. Array. So here brackets will be needed, python 3 it is, then here also it is needed, and this is array, and we want it in 3 cross 3 from, so 3 comma 3. So that is what we need to do, that's all. Reshape, you can also use this, but this is specifically for changing the dimension of array, that's why I am using it. Okay, so case is passed, submit it, done. You can also use shape. If you will use shape, then how you wanna use, if you use shape, this is how you have to use array, and equal to something you have to write, no, 3 cross 3 arr dot shape, like this. I think this equal to sign is wrong, shape only you have to do. I think some problem is there. Equal to you can't use, 1 minute, I'll see. Wrong, it's wrong. Okay, let me do like this, equals arr. Now it should be correct. Now if I'll print arr, this should work. Correct. Okay, so you can also use shape if you want, but I like reshape, that is specifically for changing the shape of the array. Okay, now you can concise all of these in these two guys in one line. So what I'll do is I'll take this and I'll write here. You can do like this, so one line will be saved. If you want, you can also do it in single line. It will look very congested type. Let me do it. Here you can put this stuff like this. So in single line you can do all this. Okay, all the test cases are passed, done. So we have learned how to change the dimension of an array. Okay, whether it is 1D or 2D, we can do the reshaping now. Okay, let's move on to the next problem.